Good morning, students. Today we are going to read from the English textbook. Already chapter I have started. Already I have started the chapter, page number 53. Chapter 7. Chapter 7. The story of the Sadako Sasaki. The story of Sadako Sasaki. So now this already I have explained the characteristics and the meanings also I have explained. So now already some story I have explained. Now we are going to read from the second part of the story. Second part of the story. Now you see here the World War II. The World War II. It is that was a global war that was going on from the beginning 1939 to 1945. 1939 to 1945 this war was going on. So here we can see Sasaki is a family name. We all have the family name. No? So we all have the family name. That is the name of a family. That is the name of a family. Here Sadako is it is happened in Hiroshima in Japan. Hiroshima in Japan. Okay, this is taking place. This happened. This is a real happened story. This happened in Japan during the World War time, Second World War time. So here we are learning about the Sasaki family members. About we are learning Sasaki family. So father was in the army. Father was in the army. Whose father? Sadako's family. Sadako is the girl name, 2-year girl name. Her name is Sadako. Her family name is Sasaki. Okay. So her father is in the army. Her father is in the army. And mother is having a barber shop. Mother is having a barber shop. And she is having a brother and a grandmother. She is having brother and a grandmother she is having, and she is also having 2 siblings. Means after the World War she is having 2 siblings, means younger to her. She is a brother and sister. Now here we come here. Chinsuko means Chinsuko, the name of a girl, the best friend of Sadako. The best friend of Sadako name is Chinsuko. Chinsuko. Okay, now we go into the story. Here, the Sadako was born in the Sasaki family. She was a 2-year-old when the World War started. And the years are going, the mother is running the barber shop sometime. Then she started to go also to the school study, and she studies well, and she is also a runner, fast runner, and she is selected for the relay also from the school. She got many gifts and prizes and medals also she has got. Okay, when she is growing on up, then she will help her mother also in the barber shop, in the house, taking care of her brothers and sisters and her grandmother. Once her grandmother was in the shop, the one bomb was broken. One bomb was broken or blast. Bomb was blast. So when this blast, the grandmother and brother got injured. Grandmother and brother got injured. And mother and Sadako is escaped. Mother and Sadako escaped from the blast. So then grandmother all their barber shop, everything destroyed, everything collapsed. Everything destroyed and collapsed. So the grandmother something forgot. She went to take something from the shop. So by the time she died, then she never come back. She died. So the brother and mother rescued by the people who are rescuing the people from the war. So they rescued and they kept in a boat and they sent them on other side of the lake. So they went and they were staying there. Then Sadako also. Then many years they were there, and she grown up. She has a fast runner, and she will be every time practicing the running speed. And once she was practicing, and once she was taking the race in the school that was conducted, she got the display, means a giddy. She got the giddiness and she fell down. She got the giddiness and she fell down. So they took her to the hospital. When she was hospitalized, there was medication was going on. Then they found out that she is having a blood cancer. She is having a blood cancer. Who that girl is having? Sadako is having a blood cancer. So all were depressed because she is an intelligent girl and active, talking everybody, good-hearted, helping everyone. So all are discouraged and disappointed. So this girl admitted, and the doctors also telling to the parents there is no hope because already this condition is so serious. So once her friend came to see her in the hospital. Her friend's name already told. The best friend name is Jinsuko. Her best friend name Jinsuko. She came to the hospital to visit her and to see her, to talk with her. When she whomever come to her, meet her, she will be laughing and enjoying and talking with others. She feel that she has no any diseases when we see her. That much active and fresh. So this friend came and she was talking with her, and she was telling that if we have some wish in our heart, that will be fulfilled when we pray, when we prepare thousand cranes. When we prepare 1,000 cranes, the wish something we have, that will be fulfilled. The something wishes, something we want to do, something we want to say, that we have something in our heart. When we prepare 1,000 cranes, that will be fulfilled. This is what will tell, that is a belief of the Japanese. That is a belief of the Japanese. We prepare 1,000 cranes, something will be what the wish we wish, that will fulfill, that will happen. That was the intention. They prepared the cranes. So then and then the hospital, she want to prepare that. Then she asked her friend to help. The friends and the nurses, doctors, everybody was helping her to prepare these cranes. Then she was preparing cranes and enjoying with the nurses, doctors and the friends in the hospital. So at the end, she has prepared only 644 cranes she has prepared. 644 cranes she has prepared when she died. So her friend Shinsoka was a wish to prepare complete 1,000 and bury with her. So she started to prepare and she completed 356 cranes. Then when Sadako is died, all these 1,000 cranes prepared and buried with her. In the tomb. Where we bury the people who died. So they buried with her these 1,000 cranes. 1,000 cranes. So that was the wish of the Sadako, but she cannot do it, but the friends has done and fulfilled her wish. So now we can see here, they also collected money and in memory of Sadako and all the children killed. So the many children are killed during the World War, and there is the friends all gathered and collected money, funds collected, and they started, and for the remembrance of the Sadako, they have built gold crane in her outstretched arms in the Hiroshima Peace Park. So in the Hiroshima Peace Park, they have built a outstretched crane, gold crane with the outstretched hands open. Thus Sadako lives on the hearts of people. By this building, by this statue, Sadako is living till now in the people. So now just you see here, this is the picture. You see page number 56. You see page number 56. This is built by the remembrance of Sadako. This was built by the remembrance of Sadako. So by this is built in Hiroshima in the Japan, the Peace Park. This built the remembrance of Sadako and the children who died in the World War II. The remembrance of the children. Okay, this is the a story of a girl. It is happened. It is happened in the during the Second World War. We can see here the theme of the story is peace and harmony. Theme of the story is peace and harmony. The happiness and the peace wherever we live. The story Sadako tells us that in spite of tragedy and hardship, hope gives us strength to fight our pain and keep us happy. So whatever the struggles will come, we should be fight hope. We should be hope to be happy. The story also talks about the terrible ill effects of wars, and because of the war only, because of the smell of the bombs, everything, this girl got this disease, the blood cancer came. So about the importance of peace. So we should cultivate peace around us, in the family, in the society, in our school, everywhere we should have the importance, give importance to the peace. We show that hideous effect of war and innocence. So this war, when we take the war, it will be affect more innocent people, and many people will die, many will affect for diseases, problems in the life. So here they are telling by this story one, everything comes but hope for happy and peace. Hope for happy and peace. So as you are students, and the story also a girl like you girl, she also has a happy with everybody, talking, helping, everything she was. So my wish also that you should help your parents, create a happy family, enjoy with your parents. Don't quarrel, shout with brothers and sisters. No. There will be some time, but the first you should be create a peace and happy in the family. Okay, all the best. Then the last class I told, page number. So think and answer today. Today class after I will send think and answer, and a vocabulary and grammar exercises, and the study skills and listening skills. These exercises I will send you. So all these exercises only except think and write in the textbook, and other all the exercises you can write, think and write, you write in the notebook. Think and write, you write in the notebook. Other all the exercises you can write in the textbook itself. Okay, did you get me? Only think and write in the textbook. Only think and write in the notebook, and other all the exercises write in the textbook itself. Okay, all the best and have a nice day.